Dear students, so myself I am Jakruraju, biological science teacher in Geeta School. Let's we discuss about that name of the lessons in that 10th class biology. So in that, so there are 10 lessons. So what are the name of what? So name of these lessons: nutrition, respiration, next transportation, excretion, coordination, okay, reproduction, coordination in all life processes, and heredity, our environment and natural resources. These 1 to 10 lessons are there in that 10th class biology. Let's we discuss about that first lesson in that 10th class biology. So it is what's nutrition. It is what? Nutrition. Yes. So, what is mean nutrition, sir? If there is one of word, food supplying system. So means, sir, what we learn? So in that name of the first lesson, this is, sir, how is that food is supplies in the body of plants and animals? About it, we learn, okay, in that lesson of nutrition. So before that, going into that topic of nutrition, sir, so we need some of basics, sir. So in the biology, sir, which are they? Sir, food. So in the previous class, okay, so previous classes, so already we learned, say about that, what is food, okay, why we need it, what is importance of, okay, food to living organism. Because, so food is essentially needed substance to living organisms, For why? To growth, to getting energy, to development, and repairing their body, and maintain the body temperature. So this is the importance of the food. That is why we eat that food to our body to proper some of functions. Next, life process. So in the nature, all living organisms have some of basic process to better survive and perpetuation means continuation their life. Okay, for their future. So these processes are known as what's life process, have some of basic process which are the living organisms. For why? To better survive, sir. So these are called what's life process. So such as, what's a life process? So these are nutrition, respiration, reproduction, coordination, excretion, okay, transportation and photosynthesis in plants. This is also one of, okay, so what's up? So life process. Next is nutrients. So why we eat the food? Because a large varieties of food substances are there. Taken as food from single cellular organisms like amoeba to multicellular organisms like human beings. That is why. So these unicellular and multicellular organisms eat the food. For why? Because varieties of substances are there in the food. That is why. So these eat the food to getting different kind of nutrients. Say food has a special substances. Food has a special substances as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, roughage, minerals, and water, and also fats. So these things are known as what's nutrients. So these inorganic nutrients required for animals and microorganisms. Like animals, plants also need some kind of nutrients like minerals, water, carbon dioxide, sunlight. So these organic substances, organic nutrients required for plants to their growing and development and repairing their body. So these plant nutrients. Next, let's discuss about the topic of nutrition. What is mean nutrition? So it is one of life process. Which is it? Nutrition is the life process in plants and animals. Next, what is mean nutrition, sir? So intaking or procurement of different kind of nutrients in the form of food. So this is nutrition. Once again, I should be repeated. So what nutrition? So nutrition what's intaking or procurement of different kinds of nutrients in the form of food. So this is called what's nutrition. So it is classified into two: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means organisms which can make their own food by the using carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so this kind of nutrition is called what, sir? Autotrophic nutrition. So they are known as what, sir? Autotrophs. In which organisms we are looking? So this kind of nutrition in green plants and blue-green algae. So these are examples of autotrophs. Next, heterotrophic nutrition, which cannot make their own food in their life. So they are known as what, sir? Heterotrophs. That kind of nutrition is called what, sir? Heterotrophic nutrition. Example what, sir? All kinds of animals, human beings and fungi. This is a microorganism. So these examples of heterotrophs. They cannot prepare their own food in their life. Just they are dependent on this autotroph provide to collecting their food. That is why this depend on where, sir? Autotrophs. Sir, green plants, examples of autotrophs. They can prepare their own food in their, one of life process. It is what, sir? Photosynthesis. What, sir? Photosynthesis. What is mean photosynthesis? Sir, the process by which living plant cells containing chlorophyll producing out food products, which are the glucose or starch from carbon dioxide and water by the using of light energy. So this is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Next, so photosynthesis process is represented as, sir, equation of photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise chlorophyll and sunlight. Okay, so after the completion of photosynthesis in green plants, what are the interpret, sir? C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. So to make equation, so to make balancing the equation of photosynthesis, there is number, sir. At the left side of the equation of photosynthesis, 6 carbons, 24 oxygens, and 24 hydrogens. Like that, like this number, same at the right side of that equation of photosynthesis is 6 carbons, 24 oxygens, and 24 hydrogens. Sir, this is equation of photosynthesis is proposed by one of scientists, who was he? Robert Hill. Robert Hill. Before that, Robert Hill, yes, in the year of 1931. One of scientists, Von Weil, proposed one of equation of photosynthesis. It is CO2 plus H2O gives rise chlorophyll and sunlight. CH2 means carbohydrates plus O2 plus H2O. Next, sir, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. So these required factors for photosynthesis in green plants to prepare their own food in the process of photosynthesis. Next is glucose or starch, oxygen and a little amount of the water and energy. So this end product of photosynthesis. End product of photosynthesis. Yes, photosynthesis is one of life process, takes place in where, sir? In living plant cells. Where are the living plant cells, sir? In the part of green leaves. That is why, sir, what is I say? Sir, green leaves are known as what's the sites of photosynthesis. Sites of photosynthesis. Next, sir, after completion of photosynthesis, the plants prepare their own food in the part of green leaves. Yes, from that, sir, some amount of the food is utilized by the plant for its function. Remaining extra food is stored as starch in a part of green leaves. That is why. So we are dependent on where, sir? Plants. For why? To getting or to collecting food.